In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. If you've ever felt the need for a little extra polish on your documents, Grammarly is an excellent tool to help you enhance your writing. Over the next 5 minutes, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of integrating Grammarly into your Word application. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Grammarly for Microsoft Office page. This is where it all begins. You might want to bookmark this page for easy access in the future, especially if you decide to install Grammarly on other devices or revisit the setup process. Once you're on that page, look for the download button. Clicking this will initiate the download of the installer file you need. Make sure your internet connection is steady, as this will ensure a smooth download process. After downloading, locate the installer file, which should be in your computer's designated downloads folder. Now, it's time to run the installer. As you go through the setup, choose Microsoft Word when prompted. This step is crucial because it ensures Grammarly is incorporated into Word, providing those helpful writing suggestions directly as you type. Following installation, it's a good idea to restart Word if it's already open to ensure everything syncs up correctly. After successfully installing, open Microsoft Word. Once it's launched, direct your gaze to the top menu ribbon. Here, you should notice a new addition, the Grammarly tab. This is your gateway to all of Grammarly's features within Word, and it's what you'll click to start using the tool. Next, click on Login and within the Grammarly tab. You'll need to enter your Grammarly account credentials here. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have to create one. Logging in links your Word application with your Grammarly account, allowing you access to your personalized writing assistance. With everything set up, open or create a Word document. It doesn't matter if it's a blank page or a pre-existing document. Grammarly will work its magic just the same. Once your document is open, click Open Grammarly in the ribbon menu at the top. This will activate Grammarly's analysis mode on your text. You'll notice Grammarly begins to analyze your document. It's like having a personal editor right beside you, offering real-time suggestions to improve grammar, style, and even tone. Suggestions are highlighted directly in your text, making it easy to spot areas for improvement. Finally, as Grammarly identifies suggestions, you can decide whether to accept them or not. Simply click on the highlighted sections to access these options. Remember, you have full control over what changes you decide to keep. It's all about tailoring your writing to suit your unique voice. And that's it. You've successfully added Grammarly to Microsoft Word. This simple integration will help elevate your writing, offering you the confidence to communicate more effectively. Experiment with it and see firsthand the benefits of having Grammarly at your fingertips.